God.
Run! He'll get you. He dropped something over there.
Who? Oh my God! Oh, I don't know if you guys remember my first vlog, or one of my first vlogs, when I showed the cups that my mom saved from Dutch Bros. Well, they're actually coming in handy today because we are going to be making this drink that I found from TikTok that is low calorie, not Dutch Bros, but it's close to the Dutch Bros cold brew. But your ice, and then these are what we're going to be using. Again, I saw this on TikTok and it's just so delicious. The organic protein shake. You can use the Premier ones. I just bought a box at Costco, but I want to run out of these first. And then of course shake it. And or you do only have some cold brew. This is from Walmart and it's the stock cold brew coffee. It's unsweet and it's just black. Black is my soul. We're using the unsweet creamer. I'll shake this one. And we're just going to use a little bit of this. So you can see it's already filling up the top. So we're just going to use a little bit. And 1, 2, 3. Some of this unsweetened syrup. I've never had this, but it does add to it, I guess. And it's the classic caramel. And it's really good. It has no sugars, no calories. So it's just crazy. And you just do like a dash of that. So just like a 1, 2.
2 shots of vodka.
So then, after you after you have stored this, after you've stirred this with a cup, drink. Dude, I literally thought they were kidnapping someone. I was about to call the cops. Dude, you scared me, girl. Skylights, and this is the look that I recreated on her. Oh.
Is that it? Rise and shine.
Rise and shine. Hydrated queen. This is cute. She's having a moment. Just leave us alone. We're in the moonlight.
Pay attention, you know? Because sometimes it might not be the good.
Look at those nachos and the egg rolls. Yeah. This is so cute. Let's make our own scary mix. I found a shortcut. The light? It looks cool. What do you mean? I'm confusion.
Remember there was a...
Why does it sound like a chainsaw?
I know, no.
Why did she say it wasn't scary? That sounds scary.
I know. Seriously, there's like a chainsaw.
That's a chainsaw, dude. I'm scared.
Oh my
God. What if the scarecrow comes after you, Cynthia, because you took its corn?
Beetlejuice.
Oh, do you think we could cut?
Oh my God.
I'm gonna twist my ankle in these foreign heels. Oh my God, no! Are they coming? Okay, tell me when they're coming. I'm gonna go in here.
Where did Rachel go? Oh no.
did not plan that. I'm not that good. Yeah, they were like, can you tell the person that got punched in the face to go to the front? Yeah. Thing.
The character or
The guy that got punched in the face. Yeah.
He's gonna scare us now, guys. Ready? No, scare me! Come on! Get back in! Get the fuck back in there! Get in there! Who are you? Are you ready?
Hi, Georgie. Oh, I didn't see that. Stop. I just made it to the top. No. 2, 3. Wait. Where you go?
Dale, mira.
Hang out.
When does this close?
Damn. Say something for the vlog.
Gobble me, swallow me.
Dalen, careful.
Oh, I didn't like it. He's like, no. Push her. No. Keep pushing her. Go.
Go, Rachel! Go, Rachel!
Roll backwards.
Your mom's
going
in
so
the back.
fast. When Rachel came up first.
And then goes Cynthia with the red shell. And she misses.
Your hair.
To feed it to the dinosaurs. Like 2025.
Hey sister, it's really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. Like the way he's speaking, confidence is peaking. Don't like his baggy jeans.
I think I'm going on the left side.